What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today got that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 on deck, and I got the Z Fold 5 on deck. And I just want to talk to the consumers right now who want to get into the foldable market. See that Samsung got these new foldables, and they're having a hard time choosing between which one and how their needs can be met. So I'm gonna just talk about some of the important differences between the Z Flip 5 and the Z Fold 5, so you know how to make the best choice moving forward. Okay, YouTube, so we're gonna make this short and sweet. Now, this is the Z Flip 5 in my hand. This is more so for somebody that wants a foldable that's compact. If you're looking for a foldable because you just want a phone, you don't want nothing more than a phone, and you want it to be super compact, the Z Flip 5 is more so the type of foldable you'll be checking out because you can close it and actually use this cover display and things of that nature. Now, this device has dual 12 megapixel shooters, and that's not the best thing about this device. The best thing is that it flips closed and it's got a nice big cover display, and you can do a lot with the cover display. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen, so it's a really good performer even though it's a really compact device. Me myself, I think this device has a gorgeous screen. It's got just okay battery life. It's one of the caveats of having a small flip that flips compactly, because the battery, it can't be too big, so sometimes the battery life is not the best battery life on the market. But if you want something that's minimal, you can flip, you can use an outside display, you only want a phone that's compact, then you might want to check out the Flip. Now, when it comes to the Fold, guys, the Fold is more so a phone that turns into a small tablet. So this is a much more of a heftier device. Now, the MSRP of these devices, the Flip is like $1,000, the Fold is $1,800. But there's so many Black Friday sales, and now these devices have been out for a while. You can find all kind of sales and good trade-ins on these devices. So those prices are really fluctuating right now. But as you can see on the outside, you have a cover display, which is like the size of a phone, but just a little slimmer. And you can do everything that you want to do on the cover display, and it can be set up different from your inner display. And this is the magic of a Fold. You can go from the cover display, then you can open it up into this small tablet. So this is a very good productivity device. This does have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor also, but at the same time, it's got a 50 megapixel main shooter, triple camera setup that's more powerful than the Z Flip 5. It also has S Pen capabilities. It also has DeX, where you can plug it into a monitor and use it basically as a laptop. So I would say the Z Fold 5 is something more so where if you want a smartphone, but you want to be able to do a lot with your smartphone, you've always wanted the bigger smartphones like back in the day, if you was into the Sidekicks and the Palm Trios and things of that nature, or you just, somebody younger that wasn't around when those older devices wasn't around, but you want a smartphone that's affordable that you can really turn it up with and turn productivity up with and get a lot done to have a very nice all-in-one smartphone tablet, then you would check out the Fold 5, because there's definitely productivity gains to be made with this device, because there's so much you can do with this device as far as creating or getting work done or whatever it is you want to do. A lot of the tasks that you're going to throw at either of these devices is going to go well because it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, the Z Fold 5 definitely has the good battery life. The Z Flip 5, that's one of the caveats, but the Z Fold 5 has the better cameras. It has the better battery life. I'm getting like 7 to 8 hours of screen on time with this device. Easy. Probably one of my favorite things about the Fold this year is the gains in the battery life. So if you just want a foldable, but you just want a smartphone, nothing more than a smartphone, nothing less, and something that you could make really compact to maybe fit in a bag or fit in your pocket and things of that nature, not take up that much space, the Z Flip 5 is for you. Now, if you want a foldable device that you could take it to the next level, turn it into a small tablet, use it as a computer, and just do a lot more with your smartphone, the Z Fold 5 is something that you definitely might want to check out, because you could definitely get some use out of this thing. I've been personally liking this. I like to use the Z Flip 5 for more minimal things, but then when it comes to the real bigger tasks, and a lot of times I pull out my Z Fold 5 and get some stuff done that you normally would need a laptop or an iPad to get done. But I just wanted to explain them quick differences. Had these devices for a while and didn't really break it down simple for, the consumers that want to just go in the store and be able to make that decision. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you watch, subscribe. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.